Okay, I've got it's a finished video. Finished. I've got one finished and two rip out ones, but I'll do the finished one first. The property code is 113MIR. It's a 2-bed in the northeast. So I'm going to be handing over to Andy now. Property just finished. Put it on the market to rent. And well, yeah, I'll let Andy do the rest. For those who are watching this video thinking, what on earth is that? Have a look down in the comments. You'll see a link to our website, forthelandlords.com. Go and find out more about the properties that we find, fix and rent. If you know what you know, and you know that what we do, and this is a property that our handhold service has delivered. So this is something we've done for clients, this property, we put it together. Then you can go to our website, go to the Discovery Day page and book a discovery call and hear about how we can do this exact same thing for you. So I think it's actually, I've just looked through the video myself. Take a really good look at the quality of the job. Now, we do a very vanilla, very bog standard buy-to-let spec. Every single one of the properties that we do is virtually identical. But just take a really close look at what we've done, what we haven't done, and think back or have a look on Rightmove and look around at other comparable properties to rent. This property, although it's relatively basic, you call it a vanilla box if you like, it is done to a particularly very clean, crisp, nice standard. It doesn't cost a fortune to do it, but it is the right standard. We know it rents really well, and it's cost effective from the landlord's point of view. It's also quite easy and forgiving to look after on an ongoing basis, maintenance and such forth as well. So there you go. I'll hand you over to Andy, and anything else, drop into the comments or onto the website, and you can book a call or take it any further by following the links in the description. Bye for now.
Property reference 113MIR. And this is us finished. Let me show you around the place. New carpets throughout, to the lounge. It's been stripped of wallpaper, fully decorated, doors glossed. Into the dining room, fully refurbished, new window, heading into the kitchen diner, new flooring, brand new kitchen, it's the bathroom. Again, has been fully refurbished, new tiling, new bathroom suite, new lighting, new internal doors, new window. Head across the landing. It's the main bedroom, which again has been fully refurbished, including upgraded electrics, additional sockets. Bedroom 2, which again benefits from additional sockets, new UPVC window, fully decorated. If you'd like us to help you find something similar, please check the video description for more details of the handhold service.